Oh no, not again. Oh man, I'm about tired of this. Okay, I like snow, but I've had enough now. I'm ready for spring. Okay. Oh well, I guess I'll just make a short video. Maybe do some sleigh riding. We can do that. So anyway, there's my car, covered up. It don't have hubcaps because I just put on some brakes on the front of it, and I just left the hubcaps in the back seat. But it really is covered with salt. The cars are covered with salt, but I gotta get that cleaned off, and I gotta get the the driveway cleaned out. So I guess maybe I'll do another, I don't know, cleaning the driveway video. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, there it is. March 1st. It's March Fool's Day, 2015. And we got a lot of snow. It's Petro 062 reporting for Channel 62. Channel 62.